Using the wrong soap is a quick way to ruin your skin or waste time scrubbing with something that doesn't work. And not every mess is the same. Today, we're breaking down State's line of industrial soaps to show you exactly which soap solves which problem. Let's start with State Scrub. The solvents in this formula penetrate and dissolve grease, oil, resins, and carbon deposits. This option offers a light fragrance to leave hands smelling fresh and clean. The State Scrub formula can be used with or without water to remove grime. The combinations of the solvents and pumice make it ideal for automotive and industrial settings, where you may get grease and oil from machinery on your hands. Next is Citro-Blast. It uses natural citrus solvents to dissolve tough dirt, grease, oil, and grime. It also has that pumice for extra bite. If you need a deep clean but want a fresh citrus scent that doesn't linger like a chemical plant, choose Citro-Blast. It can also be used with or without water. Similarly, our other citrus-based hand cleaner is Kleen-Up Orange. This formula is built around high-quality citrus oils and pumice that easily removes embedded dirt, grease, and grime from hardworking hands. It's a versatile shop soap that smells great and works fast. Now, what if you have sensitive skin or you have to wash your hands 20 times a shift? Check out Walnut Scrub. Instead of pumice, it uses crushed walnut shells as a natural abrasive. It is completely solvent-free. It's unique because it provides a firm, effective scrub for grease and dirt without the heavy chemicals. It's the best choice for high-frequency washing. Now, let's look at Grunge Fighter. It's for areas where maybe your entire facility isn't working with the same level of grime, so you need a soap that you can dilute that stays effective. It's built to fight through heavy dirt, grease, grime, and even stubborn stains like pen ink that other soaps can't touch. It's enriched with lanolin to condition hands and contains no petroleum solvents or pumice. Don't just grab whatever soap is closest to the sink, pick the one that is built for your specific job. It will save you time, save the company money, and most importantly, it will save your skin. Does your facility need to meet strict environmental standards? For that, we have Ecolution Industrial Hand Cleaner. It still has the pumice to handle industrial dirt, and it has multiple green certifications and ingredients to prevent drying and chapping of hands.
And you can put any of these soaps in our dispensers so that using them is quick and easy.
Visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out our industrial hand soaps or other solutions for every part of your facility.